The houndstooth stitch pattern is basically alternating single crochet then double crochet. This is all US terms. So I work single double all the way around, join, turn, change colour. The changing of colour is what makes this stitch pattern. You then work the same stitch pattern in the other direction. So on this sample, you can see here in this pink, I work single double all the way around. When I'm coming back, I work my single crochet in the double crochet of the previous round and the double crochet in the single crochet, and just repeat single double, and that is what creates this kind of jagged houndstooth look. So we're starting in that first stitch, which is here. I'm going to work a single crochet, double crochet in the next stitch, single crochet, double crochet in the next stitch, and I'm going to work this all the way around. I've got an even number of stitches, so you start on a single crochet and finish on a double crochet. So I come to the end of that round finishing on a double crochet, and then I want to join with a slip stitch to the top of that first single crochet. So I've inserted my hook, dropped my pink yarn there, and I'm just going to complete that slip stitch with the blue yarn. Then I'm going to chain one and turn. So you can see here is my chain one, here is my slip stitch, and then here is that double crochet from the last row. So I'm going to work a single crochet into that double crochet and then a double crochet into that single crochet, and just repeat that all around. So single crochet, double crochet. So there's my double crochet into the last stitch, which was the first single crochet of the previous round. I've got my wrong side in front of me here. The blue rows or blue rounds are wrong side rounds. So a little sneaky way to make a slightly neater join. Again, this is optional. You can just slip stitch as normal. What I like to do, I've dropped my hook out of that loop. I'm just going to pull that working yarn towards me, and then I'm going to put my hook under that stitch, which is the first stitch of the round. So that's what we're going to be slip stitching in. Pop that blue loop on, just tighten it up, and then pull that through, because that means we've just got the working yarn on the wrong side, so you get a slightly neater join. Then I'm going to pick up that pink, chain one and turn, and I'm back ready to work on the right side. This is that last double crochet. You can see the difference in heights of the stitches. So I'm going to work a single crochet in there and a double crochet in the single crochet. Okay, and there is the last double crochet of that third pattern round. Here we have the single crochet that I'm going to slip stitch into. I'm going to slip stitch as normal, and I'm just going to drop the pink there, pick up my blue, again we're on the right side, and complete the slip stitch in the blue yarn. Can then chain and turn to begin the next round. And then this is that last double crochet, so I'm going to start my round there working a single crochet, then double. And that is the basic houndstooth pattern.